Welcome to Lecture 5, Need for Virtualization. In this lecture, we'll discuss why there's a need for virtualization in today's data centers and the history behind it. In the 1960s, IBM invented virtualization. Its purpose was to allow mainframes to be easily shared among different application environments. This allowed customers to fully Virtualization was discarded as hardware became inexpensive. The late 1980s saw the arrival of microcomputers, and in the 1990s there was a widespread The client-server model consists of one or more clients, a server, and the network connecting the clients and the server as shown in the figure. The client-server model allows large applications to be divided into smaller tasks that can be performed among the server computer and the client computers. A client computer manages the front end or the user interface of the application that is presented to the user. When a user requests for data, it sends a request to the server computer through the network that is connecting the client and the server. The server, on the other hand, processes the client request and sends the output to the client. The client computer receives the output and then feeds it to the user interface, which presents the information to the user. The clients can also further process the received output if needed using its own CPU and software. The server in a typical client-server environment is more powerful and faster than the client computers. They have high-speed processors, lots of RAM, and plenty of hard disk space to handle multiple requests, security, and network management. Called server sprawl. So each time when an application was to be deployed, a new server was purchased based on the company's projected needs for the future and was sized to accommodate peak load. In addition to this, the existing servers were routinely replaced, and the replaced servers were more powerful than the original ones, which were already oversized for the workload it was handling. So the servers were underutilized, and the average utilization of the servers were between high management costs, lack of security, insufficient failover, and lack of disaster protection. The need for virtualization was felt once again, and in the year 1999, a company called VMware introduced virtualization to x86 systems to address the above-mentioned problems. That brings us to the end of this lecture. In the next lecture, we'll discuss about the benefits of virtualization. Thank you for watching.